Have you ever walked confidently into a room, only to stop dead in your tracks, completely forgetting why you came? Or been introduced to someone new, and a few seconds later, their name is gone, like a puff of smoke? This frustrating flicker of forgetting is a universal human experience. It can make us feel scattered, unreliable, a bit older than we are. But here is the good news. This is not permanent. You are not doomed to a life of misplaced keys or forgotten names. You can train your brain to hold on to information more effectively. The steps are simpler and more accessible than you think. Brains aren't hard drives that just fill up. They're living networks, constantly building connections and breaking them. Forgetting is natural. The brain clears out what seems unimportant to make room for what truly matters. The secret isn't to stop forgetting, it's to signal what your brain should keep. These science-backed steps act like signposts. Pay attention, this one's a keeper. You don't need a long course or expensive software. The most powerful tools are already within your grasp and free. It starts with a shift in perspective. Your brain isn't faulty. It's a powerful muscle that needs the right exercise. Let me share a quick story about a friend of mine. We'll call him Sam. For months, Sam was in a constant battle with his own memory. Every morning was a frantic scavenger hunt for his keys. Trips to the store ended with him calling home to ask what he'd forgotten. He'd meet new colleagues, shake hands, and by the time he sat down, their names were gone. He tried writing everything down. Sticky notes, long lists, countless reminders. It helped, only so much. He realized he was outsourcing his memory, not improving it. So he chose to train the brain, not just compensate, committing to a few simple changes. He prioritized sleep, did 5-minute recall sessions, and turned abstract facts into vivid images and tiny stories. Barbara became a barber. Instead of rote lists, mental movies. 2 weeks later, he was calmer, more present, more agile. Memory is a skill. You can do the same, starting now. Now that you see what is possible, let's begin with the foundation. Attention. You cannot remember what you don't truly attend to. Attention is the anchor. When you multitask or scroll, that anchor isn't set. Information just drifts by. Your brain discards weak, unattended signals almost immediately. So how do you strengthen attention? Make a deliberate choice to focus. When you want to remember a name, a fact, an instruction, pause. Put your phone away. Make eye contact. For 5 to 10 seconds, tell yourself, this is important. Repeat the name back. It's nice to meet you, Anna. Notice one feature. Connect name to face. That focused effort creates a stronger initial memory trace. Try this now. Think of one person you interacted with, a cashier, co-worker, or a family member. Picture their face. Say their name aloud. If you can't remember, hold their face in mind a few seconds. That deliberate recall is a mental push-up. Practice it daily, and every other memory technique becomes more powerful. Our brains prefer visuals. You can recall a childhood friend's face faster than their old phone number. Turn what you want to remember into a picture. Visualization engages creative and long-term storage centers. Make images vivid, unusual, even silly. The more it breaks a pattern or stirs emotion, the stickier it is. Meet Robin. Picture a little red-breasted robin on their shoulder. Need eggs, milk, bread. Imagine a giant egg juggling milk cartons while balancing on a loaf. Absurd makes it sticky. Password Forest 8 cat. Picture a lush forest, a giant wooden 8, and a yellow cat leaping on it. You're replaying a tiny movie, not abstract characters. Once single images feel easy, link multiple items into a tiny story. Our brains love narratives. Stories have a beginning, a middle, and end, and that structure makes recall easier. Link items into events and walk the path in your mind. Pick up dry cleaning, mail a package, buy bananas. Imagine a crisp white shirt grows arms, runs out, grabs a package. It sprints to the post office and slips on a giant banana peel. Ridiculous, but unforgettable. Magna Carta, 1215. Picture a king with a dozen knights. One holds a pen made from a tin can labeled 15. Nonsense packed with cues. Subscribe, like, and comment. Your turn. Water plants, reply to boss, take out trash. See a plant grow huge, tip your laptop, auto-sending a goofy email, your boss orders you to take out the trash. Say the story once. Watch how recall improves later today. Don't cram. Space. Review right after learning, then at 10 minutes, an hour, and the next day. Each spaced retrieval tells your brain, save this. At the party you met Anna. Repeated her name. 10 minutes later, what was her name? Picture her face. Ah, Anna. An hour later, again. Next morning, again. Active recall beats passive review. Testing yourself sticks. Rereading slides off. After a page, close the book. Say the main idea in one sentence. Then jot it from memory. End of day. Recall the big points. Next day, quick review. Active recall plus spaced repetition moves knowledge into long-term memory. Try it with the next article you read. You'll retain far more. Techniques matter, but sleep cements them. During deep sleep, memories move from the hippocampus to the cortex. Learning writes on a mental whiteboard. Sleep engraves it. All-nighters cram into short-term and vanish by morning. Even a brief nap after learning boosts retention. Movement primes your brain. A simple 10-20-minute brisk walk increases blood flow, oxygen, and nutrients that support neural function. Exercise boosts BDNF, miracle grow for the brain, supporting existing neurons and encouraging growth. A short walk before studying sharpens focus. Light exercise after can aid consolidation. Sprinkle small movements through your day. Move at lunch. Stretch when focus dips. Pace while recalling notes. It clears fog, reduces stress, and sets the biological stage for learning. Working memory holds about 7 items, plus or minus 2. Force 12 in and you'll drop them. Chunking turns long strings into manageable units, 3 chunks instead of 10 digits. Group by category: dairy, milk, cheese, yogurt, produce, apples, bananas, lettuce, tomatoes, pantry, pasta, sauce, bread. Learn an 8-step process as phases. Preparation, 1 to 2, execution, 3 to 6, finalization, 7 to 8. Less intimidating, easier to encode. Use environmental cues. Place objects where actions happen to trigger memory at the right time. Need meds in the morning? Put the bottle by the coffee maker. Library book? Hang it on the doorknob. Need to call your sister? Set a photo on your keys. You're creating a physical to-do list in your path, offloading mental load and translating intention into action. We've covered attention, the magic of images and stories, space practice, sleep, movement, and chunking. Your brain is adaptable. Don't master everything at once. Start small and be consistent. Pick 1 or 2 tips. Pay full attention when meeting someone new. Repeat their name. Make eye contact. Or try image stories for your next list. Practice one small thing for a week. When it feels automatic, add another. Maybe a 10-minute spaced review at day's end, or a short walk before you read. Celebrate the small wins. Progress, not perfection. If this video helps you, like, comment, and subscribe for more brain tips. Share with a friend to get more science-backed brain and memory improvement videos every week. Pinned comment, share your favorite tip, and reply with yours. Your journey to a sharper memory has already begun.